Welcome to the TKT preparation course. This is a self-study course, and the first thing you will see in the course will be the TKT preparation course instructional design. Secondly, you will see the TKT diagnostic test that it will be optional for you to take. You have to click on it and you will start answering the test. After that, you will see that this course is divided into 5 sections, which are called modules. On module 0, you will find video tutorials that will be useful for you to navigate through the course, the video introduction and the course guide. After that, on module 1, you will start with the content of the course. After clicking on module 1, you will see that it is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, you will have 2 videos with the information and video tutorial of module number 1. You click on the video and you are able to watch all the information. After familiarizing with the structure of module 1, you can start checking the content that is allowed in part 1. In part 1, we will cover content related to units 1 through 4 and 5 to 8. If you click on the video, you will have access to it and each of the 3 of them. After the video resources, you can find the practice task where you will put in practice what you have learned. Then on part 2, you can see the information related to Unit 1 to Unit 14, and also the corresponding practice test or practice task. After completing the practice task, you can continue on part 3 from Units 15 to 17. At the end of this module and each of the modules, you will find the TKT Module 1 practice test. You click on the test and you can start answering the questions. For this test, you will have to approve it to be able to move on to the next module. Your approving score will be 8. After getting not less than 8 in the test, you will be able to continue on the second module. After clicking on Module 2, you will be displayed with the information regarding to that unit. On Module 2, you will learn about lesson planning and the use of resources for language teaching. You will also have a tutorial video for this module so you can understand how to navigate this module. In part number 1, you will have the content from Unit 18 to Unit 21. You will also can practice with the practice task, and also you will have the same components on part 2 regarding to the units 22 to 25, the practice task, and finally at the end you will find again the TKT Module 2 practice test. After approving with an 8, no less than 8, you will be able to visualize the next module and the last one, which is module number 3. This module is about managing the teaching and learning process. You will also find a video that will help you navigate this content that is related to Unit 16 to 28. You will have the practice task in each part. Part 2, it's about Unit 29 to 32. At the end, you will have access to the self-assessment, which is the practice test, which you will have to approve with no less than 8 in grade. After completing the 3 main modules with a grade no less than 8, you will be able to access the TKT Preparation Course certificate. Additionally, you can find the Extra Resources tab, where you will find video resources, gaming resources, where you will be able to practice all the content that you have on the modules, module 1, 2, and 3. When you click on the tutorial video, you will see how each of these activities are done or how they work. By clicking on each of them, you will have access to the exercises for these modules. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great path of learning.